If this is ugly, do I send it back? Have you guys ever ordered something off Amazon with no reviews? Because I just did. And I'm so scared of how it's gonna look right now. This is what it's supposed to look like. Gengar is my favorite Pokemon, so I'm doing a Gengar setup for my computer, my workspace, and also like for gaming and stuff. I'm really excited. I'm kind of scared to open it, but okay. Okay, let's just, this is what we've got. It is purple, so that's good. Oh my god, it is really good. You guys see it first, is it good? Does it look crazy? Oh my god, it's so cute! This is huge. Oh my god.